Guys, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistake people make that can actually cost you thousands of dollars for parts, tools, diagnostics that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Very quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find where the seat belt and seat belt tensioner fuses and relays are located on Mercedes C-Class generation W205. Stay with us, we'll talk about that guys. By the way, we'll share very helpful information about hidden fuse boxes, and if you need to buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we will share that information in the description of the video below for your convenience. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Electronics, engines, computers, transmissions. Why we do all that? Because our mission at the garage here is to save you as much money as we can guys. All we need in return, please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Check out our YouTube channels, we have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So what we need to check guys here, okay, come, we will show you the seat belt tensioner, fuses and relays, where you can find them. Quick advice from us guys, that generation Mercedes C-Class has hidden fuse boxes that most people do not know they exist. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Mercedes C-Class Mercedes W205 fuse box location and diagram. Check it out, it's a video that can save you a lot of money guys. And here what we need to check today, we'll work in two different fuse boxes. The first one, we need to come to the passenger side, and in the footwell compartment on the right side, on the A pillar here on the trim, you have one cover, open it, and underneath you have a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays, they look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them. But it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays, and if you want to see how to do that guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. And what we need to check here specifically guys, let's talk about that now. One fuse that's very special, then we need to go to a different fuse box and check two more. The fuse we're talking about, you see that fuse right here, that's known as MF2 fuse. This has like up to different 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fuses integrated in one fuse guys. Very special fuse. Now, we know for a fact that one of these fuses is for the seat belt tensioners, so pre-tensioners. So what you guys need to do, remove that fuse and test all of them. Okay, one of them, if it's burnt, it could be your problem. Next, you need to open the trunk. Okay, and in the trunk, guys, here there's a carpet liner. Just lift it up. On the bottom right side here, you have another carpet that's cut out. Just move the flap, and underneath you have a fuse box that looks like this one here. And specifically here guys, what we will need to check is up to two more fuses. One of them is fuse number 411 right here, which is very important fuse, 411 right here guys. And then we need to check fuse number 443, this one right here on the bottom. These two fuses guys will need to be checked. You don't have any relays. If you still have problems with the seat belts, we will recommend to check the fuses for the airbag module. Okay, airbag module, because it's the one controlling the seat belts as well. So we'll have the video on the channel if you need help with that as well guys. Guys, quick advice. Now, that generation Mercedes, it has all kinds of different fuses and relays. I want to show you some of them. Those are super special ones as well, guys. And those pre-fuse boxes as well. Check it out. You will have a great variety of fuses, relays. So, by the way, if you guys want to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, we'll recommend to keep some spare ones in the glove box for a peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below so you can see where you can get them from, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.